Hello, welcome back to the mask tutorial where I teach you how to make a custom cat mask. So first for today, you're going to take a piece of paper and draw out your ear shape. This is generally how mine looks like regardless of species. Then check how you like it on the mask. I also check it against my other masks and that helped me notice that this one was a little bit too wide. Now you're going to cut it out. And check how you like it. Now you're going to cut a curve into the bottom so that it fits well onto your base. And check that it fits. Now you're going to take some foam or cardboard. I use EVA foam, I believe it's 5mm, and trace out your ear shape 2 times. Make sure to label the side. Now cut out this little piece for more dimension and trace out 2 of those. You can cut it straight from the pattern or cut it from a different piece of paper. And here's how mine look all traced. Now cut them out and match them up with the same side. Glue them together like this. You might want to glue a couple if you're using thinner cardboard or foam. Now you can take your ears. I like to add wire to them. This is definitely optional, but it adds more stability and customization. Now check how you like them on the mask, and I decided that mine were a little bit too big, so I'm just cutting them down around the edge. And I'm cutting out a frame. Okay. Now here's how they look now. And I like how they look, so I'm going to start gluing them on. Just put glue on the bottom like this and place it on your mask how you like it. I like to line mine up with the inside of the eye. Now glue the other one on. Now for the snout, I take the middle of the eye, go down, and cut off that little corner there. Now cut off the other side, take that corner and trace it on to make it even. Now you should have something that looks like this. For the step, we're going to need some upholstery foam and or some of this foam clay stuff. I wouldn't recommend using air dry clay as it's quite heavy. So take your 2 blocks of foam, stick them on the snout, and start trimming it down. The size and shape depend on your species and how you want it to look, but here's about how mine look. I also used foam to build up the nose bridge. Now you're going to take your foam clay and use it to smooth out and kind of build up that shape. I like using foam clay all around the mask. Like here with these little brow pieces. And here's how it looks. Here's how it looks on me. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Bye bye.